Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, today I am going to explain you a new topic of SQL Server. New topic is NULLIF statement. So what is a NULLIF statement and how can we use and what is the limitations of this statement? We will discuss in this session. So NULLIF statement, we can say that it is the expression is used to compare two arguments and it returns null value if both two arguments are equal or same. If not, then it returns the first expression. So what is the meaning of this expression? So if both arguments are same, so in that case it returns null value. If it is not same, then it returns first expression. So this is the syntax. We can use nullif and then expression 1 and comma expression 2. And what is the limitation of this NULLIF statement? So it accepts only two arguments. Suppose if we require to compare 2 or more than 3 or more than 4. So in that case, we can use case statements. So now I am going to explain these things with an example in writing the query in SQL Server. So let's move to the SQL Server and then we will give you details that how can we write the query and how can we check this or we can use this NULLIF statement. Okay, so here I am going to write a query for NULLIF statements. First, I am going to declare variable. Declare at the rate of a integer type. Sorry for int equal to 10. Then declare at the rate of v integer that value is equal to 20. Okay, now I'm going to select this value with the help of this NULLIF statement. Select at the rate of v. Okay, as result set. Now let's see what result it will return. So you can see here that if both values are not equal, so in that case it is returning the first value. So it was our definition for this NULLIF statement. Okay, and if both value are same, now I am updating to value v equal to 10. So you can see here that what will be the result. Okay, so if both value are same, so in that case it is returning to null value, otherwise it is returning to first value. So this is the use of the NULLIF statement, and the limitation of this statement is that we can compare only two values, that is first and second value only. Suppose if we are having multiple values, so in that case we can use case statement, case, and then we can use condition, when this value then this value. So like this we can use multiple conditions. So if you want to know more details for that case statement, so you can watch my other video related to the case statement. So friends, if you like this session, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this session.